The aloe vera gel can work wonders on your skin by reducing pimples and clearing the blemishes and scars that get left behind. This aloe vera face pack clears excess oil, dead skin cells and lightens pimple marks. For this recipe you will need Thuas ingredients: 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, ½ teaspoon lemon juice, ½ teaspoon turmeric. Do your instructions. Take 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, add ½ teaspoon lemon juice, add ½ teaspoon turmeric powder in it. Mix it well and apply this paste on your face. Leave it on for 10 minutes and wash off with water. Everyday use you can doit of this face pack this helps reduce your appearance of the dark spots, pimple scars, and marks. Thank you for watching. If you find the video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. To check out my upcoming videos,